So let me start. Yes, Judy. Question number 8. Can you read it out? Question number 8.
An architect.
An architect. You know who's an architect? Do you know who's an architect? The one who's actually constructing the house. You know, the one who designed, like where should be this room, the designing, the engineer who designs the house is called an architect. Okay?
An architect makes a model of a new house with a plateau made with
Pavers.
pavers. In the model, each paver in the plateau is 1/3 inch long and 1/6 inch wide. The actual dimensions of the pavers are shown.
Okay. First, say me something about pavers. Do you know what is the meaning of pavers?
What is the
Yes. Do you have any idea about pavers?
No.
Okay. You know, paver is a person who's trying to fit those paving stones. I will show you the photograph of that paving stones, then you will understand. I know, of course, it is not here with the, what do you call us? For math, you don't need to, but if you get into an idea that what is a paving stone, you can understand the problem, the question more perfectly. Seagulls. These are the paving stones. Okay? Now did you get it?
Yes.
So who's the paver? The one who's trying to fit this. The one who's fixing this, he's called as paver. Okay? Now did you understand?
Okay.
So
Yes.
an architect makes a model of new house with a patio made with paver. In a model, each paver in the patio is 1/3 inch long and 1/6 in wide. Now, girls, when I say model means I have to make that model. When I want to make that model, let me make that model here. Okay, I made that model. And in the model, how much is that paver? It is 1/3 meter long. Sorry, 1/3 inches long. This is the length. And how much is the wide? Width? 1/6. This is before he had made a model, okay? The architect made a model of the new house. But later, the actual ones are this one. When they buy that paving stone, the actual dimension is 1/4 feet and 1/8 feet. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes.
They are
Yes.
different. This is the imaginary one and this is the real one. Now I will compare and see the proportionalities. Yes? Yes? Let me just make question number 8. Judy, please help me. Just say me the dimensions. Question number 8. Yes, there are 2 models like this. One model is given. You are imagining and one model is already given, right? And how much is the dimension? Tell me. The one we are thinking of it is how much?
1/3.
1 over
Long.
1/6, right? This is 1/3
Yeah.
and this is 1/6. And how about the one which is given? It is 1/4 and
1/8.
1/8. All right. Now, girls, when I want to see the proportionality, how will you see? you will divide, like, see, it was when 1 over 3, the length was 1 over 3, and the width was 1 over 6. Okay, so I will divide, this is the first stone, the imaginary stone. I will write this is as model. This one was the model, and this is the actual. This is the actual. So actual, how much it is? The length is 1 over 4. Okay, this is about the length, L. And when I say the width, the wide, 1 over 8, sorry, 1 over 6 and 1 over 8. Am I correct? What did I say, girls? To see the proportionality, you must divide. So if the length I divide, I get it as 1 over 4. So 1 over 3 times 4 over 1. I got it as 4 over 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
This is when I divide the length of both of them. Now let me divide the ratio of the width. What is the width of the actual one? Sorry, the imaginary one is 1 over 6 and the actual one is 1 over 8. I will divide these two. When I divide these two, I got 1 over 6 times 8 over 1. So that is 8 over 6. 4 times, sorry, 2 times 4 and 2 times 3. Now tell me, are they proportional, girls? The question is, what is the constant proportionality that relates length of the paver in the model and length of an actual paver? When I see the proportionality, see, length of the paver in the model, it is
Yeah.
much? It is, if I see the proportionality, I need to divide. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then if I see the width also, they are proportional, girls. They are proportional. I get
Proportional.
4 over 3. When I get both same, that means they are proportional. Okay?
Okay.
Now, this was A. This was A. Now coming to B. What is the constant of proportionality that relates the area? Girls, whatever answer you get in proportional, if you want to find area, area means square of proportionality. Square of proportionality. So what did you get? When I did the proportional thing, I got 4 over 3. When I want to find the area, it's nothing but I will do square. That is, square means what, girls? 4 times 4. Do you know this? Do you know this from before? 4 square means 4 times 4. 3 square means, girls, do you know about this or no?
Mm,
Uh,
Not really.
If anytime if I write 5 square, what does this mean? This means 5 times 5. If I write 3 cube, power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3. Okay? This is basic
Oh,
from
miss. No, we know it.
what? Yes, girls?
And now like when you says it,
4 square means 4 times 4. 3 squares means 3 times 3. Did you understand this question?
yes.
Can I erase this?
Yeah.
Okay. Judy,
Yes.
Zishan, did you understand this? I just divided the length, I just divided
Yes.
the width, and I checked whether they are equal or not. Noor, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, I will just clear the questions. Hmm. Now, that's what we got the answer here as. The answers are different here. Girls, question 9, just put a cross mark. Question 9 we are not doing. Girls,
Yeah.
Yes.
question 9 we are not doing. Go to question number 10.
Okay.
Miral, can you read question number 10 for me?
Emily and Andy each go to the hardware stores to buy wire. The table shows the relationship between the cost and the length of wire.
Okay. Now, here they have given length in inches. Length in how much? They gave in inches. Now, here they have given in feet. Don't you think so? I need to change into inches? From feet to inches? If I change from feet to inches, then I will can know the correct cost. Because here they have given you the cost of wire with the inches, not with the feet. They did not give you with the feet. Did they give you with the feet? They gave you the length of the wire with the inches. So first thing in my mind, I need to convert. You can write it down here, girls. I need to convert feet to inches, and that is 1 feet equal 12 inches. Please write down this, girls, next to the question. We are converting the feet to inches, and 1 feet means 12 inches. One feet means how many inches? Oof,
12 inches.
I don't know why I cannot erase this. Did you understand this?
Yes.
Not finish
Yes.
but the basic I'm saying, and then I will do the question. And what do you see in the next question? Andy need 13 yard. I don't want yard, I want inches, because here the length is.
Inches.
So 1 yard equal 36 inches. You need to learn this, girls. You need to learn this. You need to know that 1 feet is 12 inches and 1 yard is how many inches? 36 inches.
36
Now
inches.
I will solve the question here on the white screen. Okay. That is question number 10. A. So the question is, Emily needs 24 feet of wire. Okay. You have the table in front of you, right, girls? Now, let me first convert the feet to inches. Okay. 1 feet, how much inches I told you, girls? 1 feet is how many inches?
12.
12 inches. Very
12
good.
inches.
1 feet is 12 inches. 24 feet, how much? What will I do? This is division, this is
Multiplication.
cuts.
I did not understand.
You will get 12. Again, let me write it properly. 12 inches is how much? So 24 times 12. How much did you get? You got means
288.
the cost of 288 inches, right? Actually, I mean
Yes.
24 feet. 24 feet, how much did you get? 288 inches. Now come to the question. Now come to the table. Girls, let us see the first. What did the first in the table, what did they say? They told you 120 inches. What is the cost of 120 inches? Say me from the table.
4.80.
$4.80, right?
Yes.
What did they ask in the question A? How much will she spend on the wire? How much is the cost for 288 inches? Girls, first thing understand the question. For 120 inches, $4.80 is given in the table. For 288 inches, how much? Girls, where did this 288 come? From this 24 feet. Because I multiply 24 feet to 12 to convert it from feet to inches. Now, how will I solve this? Who will say me? Zishan?
Yes, Miss.
Always this, what will you do? Always this do, what will you do? You will divide. Always like such kind of questions. 120 inches, $4. 288 inches, how much? This question, this kind of question, I've been doing from past 2 to 3 weeks now. So everyone must know that I will divide this and I will multiply this. I told you where the question mark, write down first that.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
1 minute, my dear. 120 inches is 4 point. Let me use the calculator, girls, better. 120. Girls, can you see some calculator or you will just see some black thing?
Some black.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. Let me just calculate. Okay.
25.
1 minute, girls. Now, when I divide 4.80 divided by 120, I get
25.
5, right? I get,
Mhm.
no, when I
25.
divide 4.80 divided by 120, I get something like 0 point something, 1 minute, girls. 4.80 divided by 120. I get 0.04. I get 0.04, girls. When I divide this, I get
0.04.
04. 1 second, let me write, girls. I get 0.04. That I multiply with 288. So I get here as 0.04 times 288 equal, I get 11.52 girls. I get 11.52
5 2.
dollars. Did you understand how I solved? Please copy this.
Is with why we multiply,
Hello?
why we divide 0.04 multiply 288. I
See,
thought we like,
Judy, listen.
yes,
First thing is you will divide these two. Always 120 inches. Like example, I will tell you a simple thing. Okay? Like 20 Galaxy chocolates is for 340 reals. So 30 Galaxy chocolates is how much? First, actually, I need to divide this. Whatever answer I get, I will multiply this. This is the procedure. But why is the procedure? Because first, actually, I will go for 1.
Miss, I still didn't understand this.
Which question you didn't understand? The down part?
No, yeah, when you did dividing
See, listen to
this.
me. 120 inches give me how many dollars? For how many dollars? $4.8. Let me give a simple question, girls. You went to buy 20 chocolates for 45 reals. Okay? 20 chocolates for 45 reals. And I want to know the cost of 7 chocolates. How much? What is the procedure to do such kind of question? You will divide 45 divided by 20. Whatever my answer is, maybe my answer is something like 32. Imagine, I'm not saying. That 32, you will multiply with 7. You will multiply. This you will divide and this you will multiply. This is the rule, Yadana. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if you want to know in more easier way, but that is a long procedure. I will tell you that also. Wait a minute. I will tell you that also. Wait a minute. The same question, I will do it in the different way. Like 120 inches give me $480 for. So 1 inch, how much? What am I doing? I want doing for 1 inch first. So I will divide this. When I divide this, I get $0.04. 1 inch is how much? $0.04. But in the question, they ask you for how many inch? For 1 inch is $0.04. 288 inch is how much? You need to multiply this. Same way. Am I correct? It is the same way. Finally, you are multiplying the answer with this. So best way to remember these kind of questions is that you will divide and then you will multiply.
Miss, from where you brought the 288?
Where did I bring this 288? Wait a minute, I will tell you here. Dana. The question was, I want to know the cost of 24 feet. But in the table, everything is given in inches. So you must know that 1 feet is 12 inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. So 24 feet is how much? Girls, these type of tough questions, of course, I will not give you an exam, but I need to teach you. I cannot quit all the questions like that. Again, 24 feet, I need to change in inches. 1 feet is 12 inches. So 24 feet is how much? 288 inches. Understood? Now again, there's
How did you know?
one B question. Like see now here, Andy needs 13 yards. 13 yards of wire. Girls, am I doing my question with yards or inches?
Inches.
So 1 yard is 1 yard, I told you it is how much?
36 inches.
This is what you have to learn. This is not given in the question. You have to learn 1 yard is
36 inches.
36 inches. So 13 yard will be how much? I told you this side always
Multiply.
36 times 13. You get how much? You get 468 inches. You got now. Now I want to know the cost of 468 inches. Again, same thing. 120 inches. In the question, it is given in the table. 120 inches is $4.80. $4.80. So 468 inches is how much? Let me divide this. You know, when I divide this, how much you got? You got 0.04. And this, what will you do? You will multiply. Now, when I multiply 0.04, from next year, you will have calculator, girls, and you will do these kind of questions actually next year. This year, I will not give you such difficult questions for your exam. You have 18.72. When I multiply, I get, when I multiply this, I get 18.72. Again, girls, this is my answer for B. This is my answer for air. First, I change into inches. I got 468 inches. Then from the table, I wrote 120 give me $4. So 468 give me how much? This I will divide. I got 0.04. This I will multiply. I got $18. Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
No.
No.
No. Miss, now I understand.
Alhamdulillah. Now, can I clear this? Did you all write this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me clear this. We will do more questions in science class also for math, okay? And then we'll continue with math. Because math, I'm going very slow so that you understand. See, we got the same answer here. Let us check first. See, $11.52 and $18.72. Got it, girls? That's it. We will start with a new lesson. We are not doing 11 and 12. Please put a cross mark. These simple
Good.
questions, it is taking so much time for you to understand. I will come at 9:40.